I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. So just quickly here, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is none other than the amazing Smorga Bag Organizer. They had sent me out some of their new range because guys, they are working on new sizes, new colors to fit all these kind of mini bags and bag that I'm going to show you in a second. And they are fantastic. Oh my gosh, so cute. They are working on tiny little inserts like so. Look at that in the lavender color. They've got their label there, but it's just a little insert that can go down inside any of your pochettes like the Kurigami or anything like that. This is in a nice kind of blues. And then look at this for the mini bags. It's so great, guys. It really, really is. And of course, I get you a coupon code because that is how we roll. Always, I'll leave it below, but Millie has hit me up with a coupon code to extend to the end of this year. And these are their little, look, it's so cute. So these can go inside mini bags so that you're just a little bit more organized. How fantastic. Smorga are just amazing. Truthfully, you know that I rave about them. I love the quality. I think they are just none other. There's so many different felt organizers out there, but these guys are kind of like the original. They started it and they're just fantastic, all made in Korea. So thank you so much for that, Smorga. DHL just knocked on my front door. This was super unexpected, but this proves to you people that if you, not that I was stalking the Louis Vuitton website, but if you do, which many different people in the Luxe have said, like you go on at different times of the day, items come in and out because the website is different stock to the actual boutiques. So it comes in and out all the time. This item, you are going to go, what? Especially for my get up today. Look. I'm channeling like Spanish, Spanish funeral vibes. I don't know. I was watching Spanish soap operas, okay? That's where this came from. Box uncut. Ooh, 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 what? So big. Dang. Cute. So packaged super nicely. Proof of purchase and return information. Always keep. Here is our item inside a box, and then shopping bag on the bottom, which is always nice, especially if you're going to return in store. You can carry your item in your shopping bag. All right, so I will get you all the details and the price at the end, but that is the returns. And yes, I always like to open it and check that we have the right item. So here is our box. You guys are going to be like, what? So beautiful magnetic boxes, Go Vuitton, consistent all the way through. That is amazing for the house. Down inside this dust bag. I love when people say, here, any guesses? Because I'm always like, yeah girl, I know exactly what that is. That is a pochette accessoire. That is the toiletries, and they pull out like the Clapton backpack. And I'm like, oh, all right. In this dust bag, it came up on the site completely by chance. So we have to go over it in case it's a return. Came up with, wow. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. So this is a Louis Vuitton monogram bum bag. It is actually called the bum bag. It is large. It's actually not as big as I thought. I thought it was going to be really big. I've held the Gucci logoed black bum bag in the medium size, and it's really quite large. It feels longer than this. However, this is a good size. This will hold a lot of stuff. So it officially is called the Bum Bag MM in monogram. It actually is the bum bag. That's its official name. So let's look over it to see if it was a return. I don't really think it is because everything just looks. I mean, look at these straps. It doesn't even look as if you know, it was returned. I don't mind a return item as long as it comes like this. If it's returned and they haven't repackaged it nicely, I understand that people buy stuff online and it doesn't work for them. That's completely fine. But see, like the tab's got the little foam cover. That's nice. So, yay! Oh my god, how cool. I have wanted to do the bum bag or fanny pack or belt bag trend. I have. If you watch my IG stories, a month ago, I was in Gucci in the city and I tried on their belt bags. They're so cute. However, the Marmont in the black Matelasse is too small to fit a plus. If you have a plus phone, it won't fit because it's the oval shape. It's so cute. I loved it in the velvet. I thought that was so gorgeous. And yeah, but now you can see like how funny in this like, you know, glam-y zhuzh attire, I'm showing you a bum bag. However, definitely giving me like Paris runway Carolina, how do you say her name? Rotifield? Carolina Rotifield, editor-in-chief of French Vogue. It's totally giving me that kind of like juxta. Do we think? No. Interestingly, how am I going to... Oh, okay. So I'm just going to pull the belt out from this side. Okay. So I was saying, people to blame. Two in particular. First, my Miss Monique, my Emerald Queen, my subby Monique. Hi, babe. She's to blame. She has this item, and of course Miss Gen G, that little hooch, just looks so fab. She's totally a bum bag girl, a belt bag girl. Some people may say this is just like a super trend coming back. Of course it is, with the bloggers and, you know, putting it in our face and whatnot, and then the design houses, you know, creating these kind of belt bags. However, you can't say that it's gone away for long because it hasn't. If you look at fashion, which comes and goes so much, I mean, it's just everywhere a lot of the time. And they can come and go and come back in and come back into fashion in different sorts of ways. So it is literally done up like, I guess you would say, a bandolier strap. So we have buckle, all gold hardware buckle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments, which is nice. You have a little bit extra. I suppose you could put another one. Have 2 keepers on it. That's nice. And then you flip it around and you can thread through on this side with a keeper. So meaning you can thread through like a belt buckle. Like a belt loop on this side, which is nice. That's more adjustments, I guess, than the Gucci. Pocket wise, how cute. Let's hold it up close. We'll take this little guy off, shall we? Okay, so up nice and close we have the beautiful shiny golden hardware there, which is so lovely. And you have this back compartment, this back zipper compartment, which is, push it down, which is lined with the like the fabric black lining, the same lining as that's inside the mini Palm Springs, the Palm Springs line. That's quite nice, and that's quite a generous compartment. I'd say that would fit your phone or your passport if you wanted something close to your body. That would fit nicely in there actually. Okay, then moving around to the front, on the sides you have the 2 square D-rings. That's nice, D-rings. The 2 square buckles like so. It's just beautiful, all canvas and vachette. It's giving me such kind of Pochette Métis vibes actually, because it's got the beautiful vachette top handle on the little keepers here, so it slides a little bit. Does it? Not really. And then it's got Louis Vuitton Paris embossed, stamped on the top of the handle. It's probably blowing out, you probably can't really see. Then these zippers in the front here are definitely giving me like Palm Spring backpack vibes with the facing on the front over the zipper. So we'll see how well, oh yeah, they kind of got that same kind of tough zipper feel. That's okay. And then it's like a top frog kind of mouth to a bum bag. And then inside we have the made in, so there's your made in tab. Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. It comes with a little booklet for the bum bag and the textile card. That's nice, and it's just one compartment inside. There's no like slip compartment or a little mini zipper. It's just one large compartment in there, which is quite nice actually. Let's go ahead and put some items in it and then do some mod shots. My Paris Fashion Week outfit. Let's fill this guy up. I am currently at the moment carrying my Saint Laurent Lulu in the medium size in the black. It is divine. I'm going to try and put pretty much everything that I have in here into my new bum bag MM, and we'll see how we go. Obviously, it's quite a large bag. But my essentials that I will need, I say it all the time, a deal breaker for me is that an iPhone Plus has to fit. And this is the iPhone 7 Plus. So I'm going to show you it on the back. I will say not full. It's really, the vachette is heavy. So it's just got like the canvas. This is outweighing the canvas when you're trying to fill it. Nice. Look at that. Bam. Phone in there. Perfect. So my iPhone's in the back there. We'll leave that there. I will need my key, my car key for my car. I will need my keys for the house and office. I'm carrying my Zoe wallet. Matchy. I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. And I'm so happy they came out with a small wallet like this because I did love my Marie. If you saw my unboxing on a vlog of this, that is really why I fell in love with it. Pink, because I don't know why. Things are happening and I just don't know what. So I put that down inside there. It's all just sort of sitting in the mouth, I suppose. This is my Toiletry 15, which is in my Lulu at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and say, I guess if you use... Oh, stop. It fits. It fits. It's in there. If you needed it, it's going in there. That is pretty impressive. So, 4-ring Zoe wallet, car key, and the 15. My Gucci card case for extra cards, and these are my Celine Tildas. Look, that's a bit crazy. No way. Okay, that's crazy to have everything that the Lulu has. However, it's pretty good. I mean, it's too much and it would be super heavy on your waist, but you can carry this in more ways than just your waist. And that's what I really liked the idea of, is that not just a bum bag as such, that you can carry it like across, you know, a crossbody or a shoulder, which I thought was quite cute, you know, super like retro, and it's different. It's different. It's not just a regular handbag. Okay, let's give you some mod shots because, see what I meant by Spanish señorita? I'm not quite sure. Okay, so this is it on the setting that I just had it on. Again, I suppose you could just throw it, you know, over your shoulder like so. That's cute if you wanted to do that. And obviously, let's give it some bum bag effect again. in my high-waisted black and Zara shirt. It's not, I know, it's probably a lot more casual than this. This could be kind of like fashion vibes to wear this kind of outfit with, I guess, a fanny pack or a bum bag. However, cute. I don't know about pulling it off as a bum bag. If it's, I took the Toiletry 15 out. If it's slouchier and obviously a more casual vibe outfit, like jeans and a tee, and it was slouchier. So this is the main way I saw Jen wearing it, and I thought it was really cute. Really cute for a casual look. I'm not super casual today, but yeah, really cute. And that's on the longest hole setting, but I could slide it out even more a little bit, I could guess. But I am quite tall, and Jen has it even on a shorter setting, and she's taller than me. So, yeah, really cute. So cute and fun, so different, you guys, and actually holds a lot, you know, of all your essentials for sure. This is like mini Palm Springs size. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get you a price here of what this bum bag will set you back in Australia. So the code is M43644. It is the bum bag and in Australia it retails for $2,010 exactly, and it is now sold out, or call for inquiry on louisvuitton.com.au. However, as I said, I just opened it in the morning the other day, took 2 days to get here, and it was available. Add to shopping cart. So I swooped in there and picked it up. I think it is so cute. Here we go, guys. That is it. That is the end of my unboxing of my new bum bag Oh yeah, it's got the little feature of a D-ring there. It's got the double zipper pull. I didn't show you that. And Louis Vuitton Paris on a Rochette tab there. That is the unboxing of my bum bag in monogram. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. It's just a little bit different, you know what I mean? It's not like every other handbag that you get. Of course, it is monogram, so it is classic forever and ever. And yeah, what do you think? So cute with my glam outfit today. It's a little bit more relaxed than that, but I like it nonetheless. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.